Good morning, Jana here with Jana's Quilt Shop. Well, I've got Monday morning tidbit, and it's a good one. I think you're really going to like this one. I can't wait to show you. First of all, last week, if you watched my tidbit last week, I presented a pillow on the eclipse. It's one that I designed here in the shop, and the kits are available in the shop if you'd like one. They're great memories of the eclipse coming. It's going to be a big deal. From all the information I'm gathering, there's going to be a lot of people from all over the country here in Jonesboro and this area waiting to see the eclipse on April 8th. So it's going to be a big deal. I probably will never see one again. So at my age, so I want things, quilts, pillows, and things that we can use to remember them by. So a pillow is a great way. So if you didn't see it, scroll back to the Facebook tidbit last week, and I have a picture of the pillow on there. And there's one in the shop, and there's kits in the shop if you'd like one. They make good gifts, or just a pillow if you want to make up quick. But today I have something bigger. It's the quilt I've been working on, and I think you're going to like it. I love it. So let me just get right to it. Let's look at it. Okay, look at this quilt. Is that not really a great eclipse quilt? You start out here, you go to the full thing there, and you go back. And it kind of goes up. You've got the stars at the top, stars at the bottom. And it's very easy to do. You do your stars piecing. And yes, this is a series of applique, but it's not difficult. You should have the big one there in the middle with the jaggedy edges. I love a lot. And these are just circles. Isn't that cute? So this is what we're doing. I have put a label on the back of mine because I wanted a date. I hope you can see that. It says Solar Eclipse April 8th, 2024, Jonesboro, Arkansas. I wanted the town, the date, and everything on there. So I've got that to remember by. And I just embroidered that and added that on. But let me tell you about it. I've got a paper here. I'm just going to read you so I don't forget anything. What we're doing. I want everybody to participate. So, okay, hope you can. This is a sew-along sponsored by Jana's Quilt Shop. Sew-along is where we're all sewing together, which will be fun. Solar Eclipse Quilt. With this sew-along, we can all sew on this eclipse quilt together starting February 26th or as soon as you can get your kit and finish March 30th. The patterns can be purchased for $12 at the shop and complete kit for $84. Let us know in the comments or call the shop at 870-972-5543 to reserve your kit. Anyone can participate even if you live out of town. We will end with an eclipse party at the shop March 30th and show our eclipse quilts at that time. Our tops. You don't have to have them quilted. If you have time to do that, that would be great. But if you don't, eclipse top. And then you will know you'll have those memories. It'll all be done by April 8th. And you'll have those from now on. Below is a schedule to have completed before the next tutorial. So I have a schedule here that I will have with your pattern when you get one. February 26th to March 11th is begin sewing, cut out the quilt, and complete all the 10 stars. So you have 2 weeks till March 11th to March 18th. You will cut out the applique and do the yellow sun pieces. Then March 18th to March 30th, you finish by sewing on the stars and the rows and then adding your borders. Okay, at that point, by March 30th, you should be completed with your top. We'll meet at the shop and have our eclipse party. Won't that be fun for all of us to share it, be able to enjoy the party, and then we'll be ready for April 8th. Doesn't that sound like fun? I hope you can all participate. If you want the pattern, please put it in the comments or call the shop ahead of time because we've already had people saying they're going to want kits and they're going to want patterns. And so I don't know how many to prepare for. So I want everybody to have a chance to do this. So if you're in Batesville, Arkansas, Memphis, Tennessee, wherever you are, and you want to participate with us, just let us know. We're going to try to work it in there. We've bought up extra fabric and we're ready to go. So if you're ready, give us a call. This is Monday. You can call anytime, any of this week. It's not going to be too late to start. Okay? Well, that's our tidbit for today. I just want to remind you that demo is this Saturday at 1 o'clock. And I've got a good one already ready for you. So I can't wait for you to see that. Okay? If you have any questions and want to talk to us, call us at the shop. Thank you and have a great Monday.